Hi all, in this tutorial I am working on a login screen and I will be following the MVVM approach for this new project. So let's create a new project which be named as login demo, and in this we will follow MVVM approach. So MVVM approach is in which view model would act as a bridge between model and view. So model would be used to store data, and to with the help of view model it would be used to update the UI. So let's get started. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm creating the folder structure. So as this is a new project, so I'm following proper folder structure. So let's add features in our projects, and features would be login and profile. So in login we have views, models and view models. For now I'm taking only these many folders. So we will keep on adding folder as we go. So this is the features folder, so I am adding over here. So in features we have profile, we have login. So in login we have views, models and view models. So for today we will work only on view. So let's add a new login view in as a SwiftUI view. Login view, yes, login view. So in this login view we will add two text fields and a button. So I'm adding a vertical stack. Then we again adding a vertical stack. In this vertical stack I'm removing this hello world text. Now we have vertical stack. In this we have text, which would be a username, right? And then we have another text and it would be a password. I'm using it as a password, and now this is a password, and we have username and password, and then I am adding a divider over here. So we have a divider over here and a divider over here. So we have two dividers, right? And then we have a button, and this button would be action, with action and label. So for action I am not doing anything. For label maybe we can add it as login button, and then what we're gonna do is, so now we have this much, so we'll add some space, maybe padding using this. Then top padding would be 20 pixel, right? And then we have text, then we have padding, and this also we will add some top padding, which is also 20, right? So now we have username and password, then we have a divider. So let's add a spacer over here so that clear difference would be between, we need to add a spacer over the top also so that it would look nicer. So now we have username, password, login. So maybe we can add some more parameters to this text, maybe frame, this button basically frame, then max width would be, yes, infinity, and max height maybe 40 pixel. Dot foreground color maybe color dot white, and background color, which is background basically, color dot blue, something like that, right? So we have a button which is max height 40, and we can also add some padding for this button also, right? And padding or maybe space, because it is properly we need to add a spacer. So now we have a spacer. Then maybe we can add this padding again on this because it is end to end on a view. So we will add padding. Let's add some corner radius maybe 10. So yeah, now our UI looks much better and bit clear. So yeah, that's it for today. So if I build and run it, so it would work properly on this device. So thanks, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos on SwiftUI and skilled learning. So just waiting for it to be launched on the device, but otherwise it is already working over here. So now if I check it in device, so this is 15 Pro, this is paused, and then again loading and loading. Okay, one more thing is the problem is here we have content view, so we will use login over here instead of login view instead of content view. Now it would be directed properly to the login view. So because it was, yeah, see, this is done.